Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make macarons using a microwave oven. Get ready to explore an unconventional yet exciting way to create these delightful treats right in your kitchen. We'll cover everything from preparing your ingredients to achieving a set shell and tender interior, all without a conventional oven. This method offers a surprisingly quick alternative, allowing you to enjoy homemade macarons in a fraction of the usual time. Let's dive into this innovative approach to a classic dessert. To begin your microwave macaron journey, you'll need 1 cup of powdered sugar, half a cup of almond flour, 2 large egg whites, and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Also, have 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract ready. First, sift your powdered sugar and almond flour together to ensure a smooth mixture. In a separate clean bowl, whisk the egg whites until frothy, then add cream of tartar. Gradually add granulated sugar, whisking until stiff, glossy peaks form. Now for the exciting part, piping and microwaving. Transfer your macaron batter into a piping bag fitted with a round tip. Pipe small circles into a microwave-safe mold, filling each cavity about halfway. Gently tap the mold on your counter to release any air bubbles. Then, place the mold in your microwave and cook on high power for approximately 30 seconds. Check for doneness. The macarons should be set and slightly firm. If still soft, microwave in additional 10-second bursts until firm, being careful not to overcook. Once your macaron shells are cooked, it's crucial to let them cool completely in the mold before attempting to remove them. This prevents breakage and ensures their delicate structure remains intact. After cooling, it's time to get creative with your fillings. Sandwich your shells with a delicious ganache, buttercream, or fruit curd. For optimal flavor and texture, allow your filled macarons to mature in the refrigerator for at least 24 hours. Enjoy your unique, microwave-made treats.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.